All right, good morning, Arkansas. This is Assistant Chief Forecaster Cameron back here once again. I'm here to give you guys your morning forecast update for today here. First and foremost, guys, we got a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity ongoing across northwestern Arkansas at this point. So let's go ahead and zoom down to this at this point here. So if you're on Lone 40, just coming out of Fort Smith or just to the west of Clarksville, you may run into some rain showers this morning here, especially along Highway 64 as well. I know a lot of folks are getting up, getting the kiddos ready for school, getting ready for work, or even in some cases, getting off work from working overnight here. So just keep that in mind along I-40 here. These showers and even a bed of thunderstorm or two will continue to drift off towards the southwest. Not expecting any sort of severe weather with this round of shower and thunderstorm activity across northwest Arkansas. Also, got a few showers over here in northeastern Arkansas at this point, and we got a round coming out of Missouri, which may bring some rainfall to the far northern counties of Arkansas over the next couple of hours here. But in terms of widespread significant rainfall or severe weather for today, not expecting that. But I am seeing that the cold front that's just draped to our north will attempt to try to make it into Arkansas, which could lead to some afternoon pop-up thunderstorms here, especially across northern, northeastern Arkansas, north central Arkansas, central and south. Not expecting a lot of rainfall down there today. That's because the remnants of what was tropical, well, actually take it back, Hurricane Nicholas completely got sheared away. Dry air really took over the system, and most of its shower and thunderstorm activity is way to the east. We're talking Mississippi and over towards Alabama. So that kind of scrubbed the rainfall chances for central and south Arkansas over the next couple of days here. However, I will monitor the progression of Nicholas here. Still looking at that remnant low down here in the central Louisiana. Some guys kind of dip it back into the Gulf and then come back towards the north. Not expecting any sort of redevelopment here, but it could aid in some additional pop-up thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon hours over the coming days here. But our attention is going to be drawn to the cold front that's going to be moving through as we get towards next weekend. In order to show you guys that, I'm going to have to take a look at the Futurecast run here. So this is the Futurecast model here, and I'm going to take off the current time here at this point. So bear with me for just a moment. And I'm going to show you guys what we're seeing here. So first and foremost, great overnight trends with the computer models, with the GFS, with the Canadian, and with the European model. So you know what that means. That means right around 1 o'clock today, I will take that back, about 1:30, 2 o'clock today, I will have a video blog out for you guys. I will have that out for you guys. That way you guys can know about next week, next week's potential. Could bring us some widespread rainfall chances across Arkansas, along with our first legit cool down across the state here. So we got a lot to talk about. I'm gonna go over all those sweet details in the video blog today here. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like and share button on these videos, guys. It really helps with the post reach. It really helps get our page out. You guys have been doing fantastic with that over the last week or so here. But I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of what we're seeing with the computer model guidance here. So I have to take this out. I'm going to go to the GFS here. I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that here. So this is the GFS here. We're going to take you guys out to, let's say, Tuesday here quickly here. So we're going to go all the way to the 21st. That's going to be 1 p.m. here. You're going to start seeing that frontal boundary that's going to start making its way down into Arkansas. So I'm going to overlay the temperatures along with that as well here. So temperatures maps is going to come up. Temperatures are going to warm up as we get towards the weekend and the early part of next week here. However, let's take you guys out all the way to the 22nd here. So we're talking the 22nd now. There is the cold front. There's a cold front coming through Arkansas. We're talking temperatures by this point in the upper 60s across northwest Arkansas to 70s to low 80s here with the frontal boundary coming through as we get towards, if you go GFS, looking around Wednesday and Thursday of next week here. And then we take this out even further to right around, I would say, the next morning here. We're talking temperatures easily down into the 60s here. And I'm going to go ahead and take you guys out just a sneak peek at the 24th there, first thing in the morning. and it really has those temperatures dropping into the upper 50s up here in northwest Arkansas to 60s across the board, with daytime highs in the 70s and overnight lows in the 50s throughout the rest of the period here. So, as before, more information on this will come with the video blog later today, guys. So stay tuned for that. I cannot stress that enough. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about your AM forecast here, guys. And I'm going to take this off the screen. For some reason, it's still popped up on the screen here. So there's a screen. There it is. So for today, 30% chance of rain, especially across northern Arkansas. 40%, a little better chance across northeastern Arkansas. Better shot of rainfall will be across northern Arkansas today because of the frontal boundary. Central and south, as I said before, you guys kind of got screwed out of the shear, dominating across the remnants of Nicholas. So 20% props from Little Rock south with high temperatures in the upper 80s, low 90s, overnight lows in the 60s here. So we'll continue to keep you guys updated right here in your source for all things Arkansas weather.